Hello guys, my name is Najwa Audalizari, ID C1C025-108.
Hello everyone, my name is Kalista Nadia Safwa Lubis. My study number is C1C025055. I'm a student of the Accountancy Program Studi.
Hello everyone, my name is Nera and my student ID C1C025111.
Have you ever imagined falling in love with someone you never actually met? Not to school, not to work, and not through even social media. Just through letters, words, and emotion that slowly grows stranger over time. It sounds almost impossible in today's world, doesn't it? Yes, this unique idea becomes the heart of the film we're discussing today. Welcome everyone! In this video, we're going to review The Japanese Wife, a touching romantic drama that offers a different perspective on love, commitment, and human connection. Unlike many modern romance films, this movie tells a story that's quite simple and incredibly meaningful. The Japanese Wife was released in 2010 and directed by Aparna Sen. The film has a runtime of approximately 100 minutes or 1 hour and 45 minutes. It belongs to the drama and romance genres, focusing more on emotional depth and character development rather than action or suspense. The film stars Rahul Bosu as Snehamoy and Jigusa Takaku as Miyagi. It also features Raima Sen and Moshimi in important supporting roles. Through their performance, the actors bring warmth and authenticity to a story that feels both personal and universal. What makes this movie interesting in this story about love, trust, and patience? It shows us that love is not always about being together. Sometimes love is about waiting, understanding, and staying loyal to someone. This movie also has beautiful scene and peaceful feeling. It helps us understand what the characters are going through and makes us feel their emotion. The story is simple, but it has a deep meaning. Before we start the review, can love stay strong even when two people are far away each other? Let's find out as we take a closer look at the Japanese Wife.
Okay, so listen. The middle act of this film is where everything starts getting quietly chaotic. Not the wild, dramatic kind of the chaos, more like the kind that creeps up on you and suddenly you're emotional and you don't even know when it happened. The setup was already wild. Snehamoy, a Bengali school teacher, is married to a Japanese woman named Miyagi, whom he's never met in person. Like bro, literally exchanged wedding foods through letters. Painful to husband, low-key, the most unhide romance us all of the time, but okay, we expect it. The confrontation kicks off right after the arrangement marriage plot, when Snehamoy Aun tries to set him with Sandaya, a young widow who then comes to life with Snehamoy along with her 8 years old son, Paul too. And this is where the real tension starts brewing under the surface. Because here's the things, Snehamoy and the little boy bond, and the arithmetic teacher starts discovering the joys of palpable bonds and something like fatherhood. There's even develops an inexplicable trait of understanding with Sandhya. But, and this is the key, he doesn't act on it. Not once, the man just quietly carries all of this emotion inside. This is the confrontation nobody told you about. Not a screaming match, not a dramatic kiss in the rain. Just a man slowly realizing what a real family feels like, while being fully committed to a woman he's never touched. The confrontation here isn't a scream match or a dramatic showdown. It's more of a quiet war between what's real and right in front of you versus what's invisible but somehow feels more real than anything else. And Snailmoy has to navigate all of that alone, in silence with nobody who truly gets the position he in. There's one symbolic moment in this middle act that's visually simple but emotional, hits really hard. And that's what makes so memorable without ever needing to melodramatic.
Now, I will explain the conflict in the film The Japanese Wife. The main conflict in this film comes from the long-distance relationship between Snehamoy and Miyagi. Even though they are married, they have never met in person. Their relationship is built through letters, which makes their love feel beautiful but also fragile. This situation creates an emotional conflict. Snehamoy lives in a simple village in India, while Miyagi lives in Japan. The distance between them makes their relationship difficult to maintain. Another conflict appears with Sandhya, a widow who lives near Snehamoy. She becomes close to him, which creates inner tension. Snehamoy is confused between his real connection with Sandhya and his loyalty to Miyagi. The conflict becomes stronger when Miyagi becomes seriously ill. Snehamoy cannot be there for her, which makes him feel helpless. This shows that distance is the biggest challenge in their relationship. In the end, Snehamoy must face the reality that love is not always enough to overcome distance. That's all about the conflict. Thank you.